Alright, so today I'm going to be looking at the Samsung A20. I did get this with Metro, so without any further ado, let's get right into it with the unboxing and I guess review. So straight out the box, you're going to get a small box that has information about like terms and conditions, the safety and health information. What else? Then you also get a little startup guide to get you obviously started with the phone and how to make a call, what the icons mean, how to set up your phone, Gmail, all that good stuff. Alright, next thing, it's the actual phone, but I'm gonna go later into that. I just want to finish what the box has. And then also you get stuff from the company that you're with. Next, it's just the charging cable. It is USB Type-C, so that's pretty good. And then you also get the charging block, also generic from Samsung, and it's fast charging, so that's really good, really good. And the last thing is just a SIM tool, just to get the SIM card out. And that's pretty much it for the box. Now the old beautiful actual phone. So let's look at the exteriors of it first. On the back you see a fingerprint scanner, dual camera, and a flashlight, and then the Samsung logo. On the side you're gonna get the volume rocker and the power button. And then on the other side you're gonna find the slim slot. And at the bottom of the phone you're gonna find the 3.5mm jack and the USB Type-C charger port and a speaker. And sorry about this tape, it's just the protector wants to come off, but I'm not gonna let it. Alright, let's look more into the specs of this phone. Alright, you could pause it or just hear me out. So the internal memory of this phone, it has 32 gigabytes, and I believe there's no upgrade for that. And for external memory, it has up to 512 gigabytes via micro SD card, which is pretty good. The screen size, it's 6.4 inches. And it's also an infinity display plus a super AMOLED display. So yeah, the talk time for this phone is up to 24.5 hours, which is pretty good. The operating system is Android 9, also known as Android Pie. Processor speed, it's a 1.8 GHz octa-core processor, which is pretty good. It's fast, responsive, and smooth. I forgot about the RAM, it is only 3 gigabytes of it. Now for the battery, it does have a 4000 mAh long lasting battery. It is pretty good and it's capable of fast charging. Now for the camera, the main camera is a dual camera with 13 megapixels and also 5 megapixels. And for the 13 megapixels, it has a 78-degree shot, whereas the 5 megapixel has a 123-degree shot, so you could intake a lot more into a single pic. Same as the selfie camera. Also, some other features that it has Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C, obviously for the charger, USB on the go, fingerprint, which is in the back of the phone, a accelerometer, a gyro sensor, and a compass, and also a radio. Lastly, I do want to talk about the design of it. So for mine, it's a black color. You could get this in different colors, but it has a beautiful look on it. It's a sleek design. The bezels are very minimal. As you can see, the selfie camera is the only thing that really pops out in terms of the bezels. I mean, when I wrap my hand around the phone, sometimes the sides do touch the screen, so it becomes irresponsive to my clicks, but you know, that's my fault. I have to get a case for it, and also this thing really attracts your fingerprints, so you know, get a screen protector, a case, and it'll be all Gucci. And without any further ado, I do want to show you guys some games on it, just so you guys can see how it runs, how the display looks, and how gaming can be on this phone. I'm also going to stop talking so you guys can hear the audio. Obviously it's not going to sound as good as you would see this phone in person, but you guys could get the gist of it. And so yeah, I want to show you guys a really difficult game to run, quote unquote difficult, a casual game, and a kill time on the bus type of game. Alright, lastly, a casual game. If you guys did like this video, please leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe. If you guys have any questions, please go ahead and comment. If this helped you out, also please let me know. Other than that, peace out.